What's up? This is some games. Yeah, the best games. Modern Warfare 2. Modern Warfare 3. Redem. Yeah, I got an Xbox 360. And then Midnight Club 3. Midnight Club 3. Los Angeles. Complete Education. Bestseller when I got this. Team. Xbox 360. Call of Duty Black Ops. Free. $15 5 bonus maps. First Strike Contact Pack. Yeah. There it is. And you'll see it in the next part. Black Ops 2! And these are all my games. Next I'm gonna make a video games. Playing it at my dad's house. Boom. Halo anniversary. Halo 4 sucks. Never get Halo 4. Get Black Ops 2. Not Halo 4. Assassin's Creed 3. I don't got that, but it's really awesome. Bye, YouTube people.